Hey everyone, Marc Saltzman here. This video is a quick look at a new product from Logiix called the Wireless Qi Stand. And Qi is QI, by the way. So as the name suggests, this is a stand that you would prop up your smartphone on or lay it flat on that has wireless charging. So the new Samsung Galaxy series devices, the latest iPhones, and other devices like Android phones that support wireless charging. Most of the ones that you buy are flat, or they may look like a puck, and you would place your phone on top of it and it starts charging up. And that's cool enough because you don't need that cable with you at all times. You just drop it and it starts charging right away. But what I like about the Wireless Qi stand is that it does prop up and it lets you angle the device however you like. So you can make it stand upright. So for example, whether you're on a home office desk like this and you want to be able to still see your notifications, you can do so and angle it accordingly. If a video call comes in, then you can take that. Maybe you want to keep this on your kitchen counter propped up or on a night table. You maybe use your smartphone as an alarm clock, as many people do, listening to music and podcasts and audiobooks through the device. This is essentially how it works. So very simple. When it's not charging up anything, the light is blue, if you can see, but then when you drop on the phone, you hear a little noise from your device and then that light turns to green, which confirms it's charging up. It's also quite fast. You would think that by plugging it into the device it would be a lot faster. It is a little bit, but it does charge it up pretty fast with this 10-watt connection here. The Wireless Qi stand is $59, phone not included. Again, that's Logiix, Logiix. I also like this $19 product from the company called the Power Cube Classic. This simply replaces the plug that you get with your smartphone for when you want to charge it up in an AC outlet, like whether it's in the wall or in a power strip. You just use your existing smartphone cable, but you use this plug instead, the Power Cube Classic, and it'll charge up your device a lot faster. So that's the idea behind this. If you don't want to wait for your smartphone to charge up, you feel it takes too long, then you just plug this guy instead and it will power up your devices a lot faster. And as I mentioned, it's only $19. So Logiix Power Cube Classic, Logiix Wireless Qi Stand. You can go to logiix.net to learn more or atlantia.ca. I'm Marc Saltzman. Thanks for watching.